What is up guys, Tanit this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to undo and redo changes in Google Calendar. First off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, just hover to your Google Calendar. Now after coming to the Google Calendar, search for the meetings that you want to delete. Right click or click on these ones and then click on delete. Now after deleting, you will see this pop-up of undo. You can click on this button and then undo the task that you have done. Like if you have deleted the meeting by mistakenly, you can click on this undo and then you can bring it back here. But if you don't want to do that, just simply use the shortcut Ctrl Z to undo that event. As you can see, I have done this time the undo through Ctrl Z. So you can either press Ctrl Z or you can click on undo to undo and redo the changes in Google Calendar. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.